Welcome. If you are a student who has recently qualified your GATE score and are looking for various programs, one good opportunity for you to apply is to IIT Madras, and here you have the master's program that is available which exclusively accepts GATE score. If you want to apply for IIT Guwahati, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Delhi for various programs like in IITD you have masters in culture and society, so that program has a separate entrance examination, but IIT Madras specifically recruits only on the basis or takes admissions only on the basis for your GATE score. Now, there are 25 seats in three of the branches that are available. So these branches are economics, English, and development studies. For economics, if you have given your GATE score and you have a good GATE score, you can apply for the economics department. You can apply for English department if you have qualified your GATE either in English or linguistics, and in developmental studies, if you have qualified in either of the four subjects, economics, philosophy, psychology, or sociology, you are eligible to apply for developmental studies program. Now, this program is an extensive program. There are minimum 200 credits that you would be required to complete, and if you dive into the details of the program, let's say the MA in development program, you would get the program structure here, the kind of courses that would be offered across each of the four semesters, and then you would have a list of electives through which you can specialize in the area you want to. Now this would give you a clear idea and an insight about what you actually want to have your future with. So it's really a good time. You must apply for IIT Madras for Department of Humanities and Social Sciences to get a master's degree. If you have applied for GATE in any of the subjects as we had mentioned for your various programs, then you must be able to actually get into the MA department for humanities and social sciences at IIT Madras. So wish you all the best. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back on the number that we have provided. Wish you all the best. Have a wonderful day ahead.